Hello everyone, in our today's video I am going to create a replica set in Kubernetes using YAML file and a load balancer service for the replica set using YAML file. Let's go ahead and create the replica set first. Replica set.yml. I'm starting with API version. API version of replica set is apps/v1 and the kind is replica set. Next, metadata. The metadata we are giving the name of our replica set, my app -rs replica set. And then let's go to specifications of the replica set, under which we will mention the number of replicas. I'm creating 3 replica sets for my pods, and then we will give selector using match labels. We will match the application with the replica set, and then we are giving template. Under template we will create a pod. Metadata of the pod name is my app pod. Labels app is to my app. I'm giving this label here in the match labels, and the other specifications of the pod are containers, the name of the container, my app container, and the image I'm going to use is from my Docker Hub, my Nginx image version 1, and then ports container port is 18. Okay, let's go ahead and check if we have any replica sets in our namespace. kubectl get replica set. There are no replica sets running in our namespace, so let's go ahead and create our replica set. kubectl create -f space, I'm giving the file name replicaset.yaml. So now our replica set, my app-replica set, is created. Let's check the created replica set. kubectl get rs. So we have 3 pods of replica set is creating. Let's check our pods. kubectl get pods. So now we have 3 pods are running under this replica set. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the load balancer service. Load balancer.yml API version apps/v1 and kind is service, and metadata of the load balancer. Here we will give the name of the load balancer, which is mylb-replica set, and then we are giving the specifications of the load balancer. First one is type. Under type, this is load balancer, and then selector we are giving the pod name or the replica set match label. I'm giving it here, my app. Okay, and now I am giving the ports, ports of this load balancer HTTP, and we're giving the service port which is 80, and I'm giving a target port which is the container port. I'm giving 80 here again. So I have written the code for the load balancer service. Let's go ahead and check if we have any load balancers in place. kubectl get service. If we see, we have only cluster IP running in our Kubernetes. So let's go ahead and create our load balancer service. kubectl create -f load balancer.yaml. Okay, sorry, I'm giving the wrong version. The version for load balancer service is v1. Let's go ahead and enter the command again. Okay, now our load balancer service is created. Let's click kubectl get services. If we see now, we have a load balancer created mylb-rs, and it has an external IP through which we can check our application. Previously we had only cluster IP, now we have load balancer service. Okay, now let's go ahead and copy the external IP and go to your Chrome. In Chrome, we are entering the IP, external IP we copied, and hit enter. See, our application is running. So we created a replica set, and then we used a load balancer, and then we used the external IP of the load balancer to expose the application to the internet. And this is the image, Nginx image I have created in my Docker Hub. Thank you.